Good morning, children. This is Prasan sir. Children, in the previous class we have discussed our second lesson. What is the second lesson name? Parallels and meridians. Parallels and meridians. Listen, children. We have learned that globe is a model of the earth. The globe is a model of the earth. It shows the distribution of water and land. We discussed already. Understand, children? By using globe, we should locate the places. We should find out the location of a places, exact location of a places by using globe. Understand, children? Yes. In the last class, we discussed about imaginary lines. Imaginary lines. Imaginary lines means these imaginary lines are not real lines. These are not real lines. Understand, children? These are not real lines. By using these imaginary lines, we can find out the exact location of a places and time of a places on globe. Understand, children? Yes. Let us start the next topic. Listen carefully. Write down the main points in your notebooks. Yes, children, parallels and meridians. Parallels and meridians. Yes, you have read that the earth is spherical in shape. We know that, and we should find out the location of the earth by using globe. Understand, children? On globe, we should see exact location of your places by drawn some imaginary lines. Imaginary lines means these are not real lines. Understand, children? In the previous class we have discussed parallels. Understand, children? In the previous class we have discussed parallels. Say some what are parallels? A set of circles. A set of circles drawn on the surface of the globe. Yes, these circles run from east to west. East to west. They are called parallels. See here picture, they are given all circles which are run from east to west. East to west like this. See. Understand, children? Yes. A parallels are set of circles. Understand, children? A parallels are set of circles which are drawn from east to west. These are called parallels. Understand, children? Yes. And already we learned that, see, the earth is divided into two equal parts by drawing an imaginary line. That is middle line. It is called equator. The equator will be divided into two parts of the earth. Above the equator means northern hemisphere. Below the equator means southern hemisphere. Understand, children? Yes. By drawing an imaginary line, by drawing the midway on the earth, midway on the globe. Understand, children? It is the longest parallel. Understand? 0 degree parallel. Equator will be given, the numbering is 0 degrees. The 0 degree parallel will be divided into the two parts of the earth. Above the equator means north direction. It is a northern hemisphere. Below the equator, southern hemisphere. Understand, children? Sphere means circle. Hemisphere means half circle. You know that. Which will be divided into two parts. Equator will be divided into two parts. And important features of a parallels we discussed already in the class. Let us see. Yes, see, children. All parallels are complete circles. See, you observe. All parallels are complete circles. The length of the parallels will be, as we move away from the equator, the length will be decreasing. You observe once. See, the length, for example, it is an equator, the middle line. The length of the parallels will be decreasing as we move away from the equator. Understand, children? Yes. as we move away from the equator, the length of the parallels will be decreasing. Understand children? All parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. See, the distance of a parallels are same. One and another distance means like this, no? See, yes, the distance is equal. Understand children? Yes, and we have learned that some important parallels on globe. What are the important parallels on globe? I'll show you. Yes, see children, these are the important parallels on globe. These are important parallels on globe. See, near the Arctic Ocean means near the polar regions. There are two polar regions on globe. You observe that one is Arctic Circle, one is Antarctic Circle. Say yes or no? Yes, these are polar regions. Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circles. Means you should know, near the Arctic Ocean it is Arctic Circle, near the Antarctic Ocean it is Antarctic Circle. See children, some other important parallels also here given. See, Arctic Circle is 66.5 degrees N and Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degrees N here. Here N. Understand children? And equator will 0 degrees, you know that. And Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees yes. Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees N. These are some important parallels on globe. Understand children? Yes, these are some important parallels on globe. Equator will be given the number will be 0 degrees. Understand children? We start from the equator. It will be given 0 degrees. Like that we should given above the equator means 90. Below the equator means 90. Understand children? Including the equator, total how many parallels? 181 parallels. 181. Number of parallels are 181. Understand children? Yes, we should given in the northern hemisphere 90 parallels, in the southern hemisphere 90 parallels. Including the equator, total how many parallels? 181 parallels. Understand children? Yes. Shall we start our next topic? Meridians. Yes, see children, these are meridians. These are meridians. Imaginary lines which are run from pole to pole. See, here it is North Pole, here it is South Pole. And imaginary lines which are run from North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. Understand children? These are called lines of longitudes. These are called lines of longitudes. Yes, these lines are drawn from pole to pole. One pole to another pole. One pole to another pole. Yes, you should observe all lines and longitudes on globe. Yes, these are meridians. These are meridians. Understand children? Important features of meridians. All parallels are same length. All parallels have same length. See, the length will be same. The length will be same. Understand children? The maximum distance between any two meridians at the equator. At the equator, see, you observe. It is equator, no? Here all the distance will be same. Say yes or no? Yes. The distance between any two meridians decreases as we move away from the equator towards the poles. You observe here. Yes. Understand children? As we move away from the equator, the length will be decreasing. The length will be decreasing. Means towards the poles, here it is, the length is decreasing. You observe once, the length here is same at all. But as we move away from the equator, the length will be decreasing. See here. Yes? Say yes or no? Yes. Write down the main points in your notes, children. Don't neglect. Okay? Yes. Next one, meridians cut the parallels at the 90 degrees angle. Meridians will be cut the parallels at the 90 degrees like this. See. Okay? Understand children? Yes. Like that. Okay? Yes. How are meridians numbered? You have read that to number the parallels we start from the equator. But here we start from the Greenwich meridian. Greenwich meridian. The Greenwich meridians will be given the 0 degrees. We need a starting point to number. The meridians in 1884 was decided to fix the Greenwich Greenwich, a place near the London, has starting point for the numbering meridians. The meridians that passes through the Greenwich was marked as 0 degrees. It is also called prime meridian. It is also called prime meridian. Understand, children? Yes. And the longitude of a place measured east or west are the prime meridians. Understand, children? Are the prime meridian. Yes, like parallels, meridians are also drawn at intervals of 1 degree. If we move away from the prime meridians towards the east or the west, we reach halfway the round the 180 degrees. Understand, children? There are how many meridians? 180 meridians towards the 181 meridians towards the sea, children. Yes, there are 180 parallels in the west. There are 180 parallels. There are 180 meridians in the west, and there are 180 meridians in the east. Total how many meridians? 360. Total how many meridians? 360. Understand, children? Total how many meridians? 360. Yes, understand, children? Yes. These are meridians. Meridians are imaginary lines which are drawn from the pole to pole. Understand, children? In these meridians, we have to give the numbering is 0 degrees. It is called Greenwich meridian and also called prime meridian. Understand, children? Yes, it is the starting point of the meridians. Where it is locating? London. Exact location of the Greenwich meridian means London. Understand, children? Near the London. Yes. By using these imaginary lines, we should find out the location of a exact location. Means which place will be located in the west direction or east direction. We should know about the place, means we should use these imaginary lines. In the next class, we discussed locating places on the globe. Locating places on the globe. Understand, children? Yes, parallels and meridians. In the previous class, we discussed about the parallels, and this class we discussed about meridians. Meridians are imaginary lines which are run from pole to pole. Which are run from pole to pole means North Pole to South Pole. North Pole to South Pole. Greenwich meridian is starting point of these meridians. Starting point of the meridian. We should given the number will be on Greenwich meridian is 0 degrees. Greenwich meridian is 0 degrees. Yes, understand, children? Like that, total how many meridians are there? Meridians are also called longitude. Total how many longitudes are there on globe? See, 360 meridians. 181 parallels including equator. Here 360 meridians. Understand, children? Including Greenwich meridian. Says or no? Yes. And one very important meridians also we should learn. One is Greenwich meridian. Another one is international dateline. International dateline. Understand, children? International dateline. These are important meridians. We should learn about how to locating the places on globe by using globe. Locating places on the globe. Locating places on the globe. We should learn this topic in the next class. Listen, children. Understand, everybody? I hope you understand. Yes. Today's homework, you should draw the yes meridians on globe. I will give you homework. You send it to my personal number. Okay. We'll discuss the next topic in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.